Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Ramadan Kareem to everyone, those who are celebrating Ramadan this month. May Almighty bless us all. And when we say Ramadan, are you expecting something to be deep fried and some yummy snack? No, this time it is gonna be something very healthy, very nutritious. At the same time, it's gonna be yummy and delicious too. I'm sure you all are gonna love this. So do give a try on this. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients, as usual, it will be at the description box, so do check it out from there. So let's begin the process now. Here I have taken, this is overnight soaked black chana or chickpeas. You can just soak it at least for 3 to 4 hours, and added some salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin crushed, and then here add some water and pressure cook this. My pressure cooker took around 8 whistles, so every pressure cooker is different, so cook it accordingly. Make sure it doesn't overcook and turns to be mushy. Here you can see, and the water is also even dried in the same pressure cooker. And here I have taken the chickpeas. You can see they are cooked well, and I'm adding 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 1 small cucumber, coriander leaves, and here you'll have to mix this well. And once you mix them well, you can take 1 lime water. That's optional according to your choice. You can make it more or less. I love it with more lime. And as you saw, I have added 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder and very finely chopped 1 green chilli. It's totally optional. If you have kids at home, you can just skip it, as we have already added red chili powder. And then I always prefer adding black salt to the recipe. You can check the salt and add it if required. So here is your super healthy, super yummy and nutritious chana chaat ready. As we all know, black chanas are a very good source of protein and iron, along with a lot of other benefits too. And it keeps you fuller for longer time. And a great news for those who are into their weight loss journey, this is an amazing recipe you can have in normal days too, as a breakfast or your lunch, dinner, anything. And it keeps you full, and thus it will lead to your weight loss. So do give a try on this, guys, and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. So coming to our extra points, in case you don't have black chana or don't want to use black chickpeas, you can always substitute it with the white chickpeas, the white chana. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye.